Hello, dear friend, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alecia, and I am so happy you are here. Today's practice, we are going to be doing the Kriya to activate the inner sun. Kri means action, and Ya means devotion. When we practice in this way, we are being devoted to our body, mind, and soul. We're going to begin in an easy seat down on the mat. We're going to begin our practice today with some pranayama, breathing through our right nostril. When we do this, we activate our sun energy. The right side of our body is our divine masculine energy, and this is the sun, our outward facing motion, and all of the things that we can see in our world. It is the conscious energy. So taking your left index finger, placing it on your left nostril, closing down that nostril, sitting up nice and tall, gently lower your gaze and begin to breathe in and out through your right nostril. Release your left hand, keeping your eyes closed. Gently bring the breath into both the nostrils, all the way down into the belly. Exhale out. Feeling into the body, being aware of the subtlety. All right, we're going to kick it up a notch, coming into Sat Kriya. You want to come up on your knees. Sitting back on your heels. Always an option to pad the knees. If this is completely not doable, you can sit in easy pose. We are going to take Jupiter Mudra, index fingers pointed, the other three fingers are clasped, left thumb over right for the divine feminine, right thumb over left for the divine masculine. We're going to lift our arms up, pointing our Jupiter Mudra out, expanding into the universe. The mantra here is Sat Nam. Inhale, Sat. Pull the belly in. Generate the energy in the lower abdomen. Bring it up, in through the third eye space. Exhale, Nam. Project your energy out into the world, okay? A lot of moving parts here. Go easy on yourself. It will all come together, I promise you. Sat, Nam, 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 Sat, Nam. Deep breath in. Engage your glutes, engage your core. Imagine giving your inner energy system a squeeze, channeling that energy up, 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 up through the third eye, up through the crown, out into the expanse and beyond. Holding, squeezing, lifting. And exhale. We'll break free from our mudra. Allow your hands to float down. Feeling the energy begin to relax and release within you and around you. Staying present. Staying in your practice. Fingertips touch down to the ground. Feel each fingertip press onto the mat. Deep breath in, lengthen through the spine. Exhale out. Each movement an action of devotion to your higher self, to your beautiful path forward. All right, kicking it up yet another notch. Bring your fingertips in front, tuck the toes. We're gonna hop into frog pose. So you wanna bring your toe pads on the mat, heels to touch. If that's not available to you, you can always leave your heels down. Your feet can be further apart. You can take this more into a general squat. But if you're with me in frog pose, as we inhale, lift the hips, drop the top of the head down. This allows the energy to move up our spine and down into the higher chakras. Exhale, come down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. We'll go for 13 of these. Come on down, plant your hands, release your knees, sit back on your heels. Closing down your eyes, relax your shoulders, come into your breath. Come back in through easy pose. Bring your hands together, find Jupiter Mudra. Again, we'll bring our arms up. We're going to inhale, twist our body to the left, exhale to the right, moving as fast or as slow as your breath will carry you, closing down your eyes and focusing on your third eye. Come through center, deep breath in, squeeze, lift, channel that energy up. And exhale, break free. Slowly let your hands come down. Palms come down on the knees. Tug chin to chest. Gentle bow. We're going to float in to a self-healing meditation. First part is generating the energy. The second part is consolidating and directing it. This is how you heal yourself, my friend. Coming into the base of your spine, we're gonna engage Mula Bandha to 70% lock, so not full force, but you're slightly elevating the energy from the base of the spine, and float into long, deep breathing. I'm focusing on the crown of the head. Release Mula Bandha. Allow the awareness to settle throughout the whole body. Taking a moment here to notice any shifts. To thank yourself for showing up for your practice today. Giving gratitude for your mind, body, and spirit. Thank you so much for spending your precious time and energy and sharing your practice with me today. Satnam, beautiful being of light, of love. Thank you again for showing up here. If you're new here, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Leave me a message down below. Let me know how you've enjoyed this practice. And if you're looking for more resources to help you on your way, I will leave you some links below in the description. I hope you have an amazing day. Take sweet care. Bye.